Kumkaya Makina was established by its founders Aydin Kaya and Hayrettin Kumbasar to manufacture machinery parts in the year 1986. The same year, the firm began manufacturing the volumetric dough cutting machine, which is one of the most commonly used machines in the sector. As other dough processing machinery was added to the product line in subsequent years, the company rose to the position of an export company. Along with the acquisition of new machinery, Kumkaya also invested in facilities until it procured a 22,000 square meter enclosed facility outfitted with advanced technology. Setting out with the principles of high quality at reasonable prices, the company conducts exports to 76 countries as of 2012. In 1999, the company decided to manufacture automated stone-floored bread ovens, proving how cheap no-hands bread production could be realized. Today, there are currently more than 170 Kumkaya automated systems serving their owners. Inspired by its customers, Kumkaya Makina also began the production of tunnel ovens in the year 2011, achieving a new dimension into tunnel ovens with the technology it contributed. In signing custom order agreements with foreign manufacturers, Kumkaya Makina produced machinery for them and continues to do so today. With its ideal location in Beylikdüzü, 22 kilometers to Istanbul Ataturk International Airport and 6 kilometers to the seaport, the Kumkaya factory has reduced transportation costs and time lost to a minimum. Having established a sales and service network both in Turkey and abroad, Kumkaya is steadily growing as it presents its customers with new products. Encompassing a 27,000 square meter area, the factory has a total 23,000 square meters of enclosed space. Kumkaya Makina is comprised of 2 production plants, 1 office showroom, and 1 R&D building. Equipped with advanced technology such as computerized lathes, laser cutting lines, and robotic welders, the factory manufactures more than 70 types of bread ovens and dough processing machines. Carrying out the production of 42,000 different parts, Kumkaya monitors the movements and quantities of these parts using the SAP management system, guaranteeing its customers with sufficient spare materials in its inventory all the time. Having realized the importance of quality assurance in machine manufacturing, the firm is totally committed to presenting its customers with flawless products with its broad quality control team. Various types of paint can be applied flawlessly to the products thanks to our computerized and robotic system. The parts are then baked in a dust-free environment as the products are ready to operate for years without any problems. Selected from the highest quality parts available, electrical components are mounted in compliance with various world standards. Kumkaya products operate on all continents. After the assembly process, each electrical panel is subjected to various tests and the flawless ones are dispatched to the main warehouse. The parts that have passed intermediary quality checks are dispatched to areas where the related machinery lines are located for assembly. Serial production starts here by grouping the machinery that is compatible to the procured orders. Each machine that comes off the Kumkaya assembly line is of the same quality. During certain phases of assembly, a quality control team performs the necessary tests, identifies defects, if any, and takes corrective action. Each machine assembled at the factory is subjected to a 6-hour trial operation and then is sent to the shipping warehouse. Before it is delivered to customers, the final stop for Kumkaya machinery is the shipping warehouse. These machines are packaged after they are cleaned and visually checked. The machinery is readied for a long journey after packaged with material which complies with the standards of the destination country. All materials used on the welding line are choice brand names determined by Kumkaya engineers. Representing great importance when it comes to the quality of the machine, metal welds are made flawlessly by experienced masters and computerized robots. After various pressure and resistance tests, the welded parts are dispatched to the semi-finished product warehouse. In this department, competent masters program the machinery according to the tolerances and projects arriving from the R&D department. And identical parts are manufactured in series production. The readied parts are subject to intermediary checks and shipped to the warehouse. Fully automated bending benches, metal shears, punch presses, and laser cutting lathes are found along this line. This line is vital for the finishing quality of Kounkaya machinery. Sheets are gently placed in the machines, paying particular care to ensure they are not scratched while being shaped. Parts codes of the management program are found on every shelf. As a result of the machinery variety, there is a huge quantity of spare parts. Each spare part entering to the main warehouse is subject to quality checks, and defective parts are discarded to be returned to the producers. Parts that pass the quality control phase are placed on shelves to wait for the next order. A critical stock level is determined for every part, and a new order is placed for each item that falls below this quantity. All these orders and quantity checks are conducted by a production management software program.